How to buy RIBBITA by virtual token. So this token came under the symbol of TBIR. So before we start, this is not financial advice. I'm not professional or economic expert. So before investing in any project that you find on my channel, please do your own research. Now, before going and buy this token, make sure to check the next account. I'll keep following the updates about this token. Now, to be able to buy this token, as you can see, this token available in the screener. Now, as you can see, this token increased in the last 6 hours by 200%, in the last 1 hour, 100%, and in the last 5 minutes by 32%. That seems good. So the market cap 2.3 million and the volume $700,000. So to be able to buy this token, copy the token address from here. And remember, this token address came under the Base Network. Now open your wallet. For that, I will use the BitGet wallet. Go to your wallet, select the Base Network from here, and click on this plus icon. Now after that, paste the token address here, and as you can see, this is our token. Now click on this plus icon. Now after that, go back and find your token. Now after you find your token, as you can see, this is, now click on it, click on swap, switch from here. From the top, select the token that you want to buy with, for example USDC, but make sure you have enough USDC on your wallet. Now after that, type how much you want to buy, wait a few seconds, and as you can see, this is how much you receive with that token. Now after that, click on buy now, and you will be able to buy this token on your wallet. So this is how to buy TBIR token. If you found this very helpful, please like and subscribe. See you in the next video.